This Nissan Altima have a major issue. Computer saying that it's a throw plate problem. Throw plate was cleaned many times, but still when you start in the car, it shakes. It have a misfire. The white smoke is coming out. The car is badly. That's why I consider that there is a very low compression in the cylinder. Even 3 of them, 2 of them, or maybe only one of them. That's why today we're gonna be using cylinder compression test kit to measure the compression into the cylinders of this Nissan Altima 2002. To measure the compression in the cylinders, you need to remove all 4 ignition coils using the 10mm key. Disconnect the power connectors and using 10mm key remove the screws which are holding ignition coils on places. Electrical connectors are disconnected just by simply tapping with the finger. Then using 10mm key, control clockwise, remove all 4 ignition coils. It's almost the same like you do in the spark plug replacement on your car. The same, just remove all 4 coils. 4 bolts are removed, which are holding the ignition coils on places. The next step, then simply to remove them. Pretty easy. Keep them somewhere aside, because you don't want them to fall somewhere when you will be checking the compression, doing the compression test. Now you can see the spark plugs inside, and you have to remove all 4 spark plugs. Alright, you don't need to remove all 4 spark plugs, you need to remove only one. This spark plug where you will be checking compression. The first will be the spark plug number 1. Control clockwise, remove the spark plug. The first spark plug is removed, the second one, third one and number 4 is still on place. The first one, we're gonna be checking the compression right now. This is a spark plug, put it aside and start preparing your compression test kit. Alright, everything is very pretty simple. You have to insert this right there, and then you have to check the correct size. You have to match it with the spark plug size, because there is a variety of different spark plugs on different vehicles. In this case, this is the standard one, which was already installed over there. Alright, then you have to put it inside. And you have to install him. Okay, installing it, it's not that easy. We disconnected the gauge itself, and you have to twist and measure it properly. Right, when the tool is installed, you have to ask somebody to go and start the vehicle. Okay, enough, good. It shows almost 140 psi. 140. The first cylinder is in perfect condition, 140. Let's test the second one. If you finished checking the compression in the first cylinder, it shows at approximately 140, which is very good. You have to put the first spark plug back on, and you have to remove the second one.